Black mothers and babies are still dying at much higher rates all across the country, including here in Indiana. A new St. Louis-based program is coming to the Hoosier State, and it's putting the focus on fathers to help reduce those numbers.
Our African-American birthing persons are sometimes at risk, unseen by other populations, and we must do something to address their needs.
That's exactly what the program, Dads to Doulas, aims to do.
That narrative needs to be rewritten.
Brad Edwards started the initiative last year in St. Louis with doula Kyra Patton. For him, this effort is personal.
In 2017, I lost twin boys. They were stillborn. I know what that feeling is to feel helpless, to not know what's going on, not be able to protect the mother of your children or your children. And I never want another brother to feel that way.
From pregnancy to postpartum, the program holds workshops teaching fathers things like emotional support techniques during labor, infant safety, and how to speak up for your partner at appointments. All doula tools they need to help mamas and babies succeed.
Having a program like this at least arms them with the knowledge so that they are able to have conversations with people and not just have to take a back seat when the conversations are taking place.
Dads to Doulas is teaming up with Anthem Blue Cross Blue Shield to bring that much-needed training to Indiana.
Year after year, we've ranked towards the bottom of the 50 states, and that's something that we're committed to changing.
In 2020, data from the Indiana Department of Health showed that Black women had a 93% higher maternal mortality rate than their white peers, and Black infants also dying at higher rates too.
Dads can play a critical role in improving some of these outcomes. You know, it doesn't have to be a father. It could be an uncle, a grandfather, or just another birthing support person.
Something they hope leads to more mothers, babies, and fathers all growing together.
These guys that go through our program end up being like seeds of advocacy in their communities.
There are some people that really care about the outcomes in the state of Indiana, and that's why we're here.
And this is essentially life-saving knowledge.
Absolutely.
The program will come to Indy to hold an in-person workshop on Saturday, August 23rd from 9 a.m. until 3 p.m. It will be followed by a virtual 6-week course. You can sign up for both for free at dearfathers.com.